If you've got a need for speed, check out the installation of Mikuni's high-performance Carb for Harleys.
The Mikuni HSR 42 carburetor kit comes complete with everything you'll need for installation. The kit includes the 42mm carburetor, airbox adapter, cables, chrome air cleaner cover, complete installation instructions, and a variety of replaceable jets. The 42mm Mikuni features high performance and smoother throttle action with its unique 8-bearing slide mechanism. The Carb also features an adjustable accelerator pump which allows injection of fuel for quick throttle response. Now here's Roger to show us how it's done.
I'm Roger Callens of XRV Performance Products, North Hollywood, California. I've been tuning Harleys for about 7 years. I came out of racing Japanese bikes, and I've had a long association with Mikuni carburetors. What we're going to do today is to install a new HS42 Mikuni on a dyno wide glide and get it jetted and dyno tested.
To begin the installation, you must first remove the stock air cleaner cover, filter element, and the air cleaner box. Carefully unclamp and remove the fuel line, draining excess gasoline into a container. After loosening the cables to provide some slack, pull the stock carb off the manifold and disconnect the vacuum line and cables. Now you can remove the stock carburetor completely. In 90% of these installations, no rejetting is necessary. If you need to change the low-speed jet, simply unscrew the float bowl, remove the jet, and replace it with the correct one for your application, then replace the float bowl. Note that access to the air jet is through the drain in the bottom of the float bowl. Install the Mikuni plunger and spring to the starter cable and attach it to the carb, then attach the vacuum hose if you're using the VOES switch. If not, seal the vacuum port with a rubber cap. Next, open the throttle housing, retain the cable ferrules, and loosen and remove the cables. Install the Mikuni cables in the housing, reusing the stock ferrules, and replace the housing. Make sure to twist the grip to check the clearance. Push the carburetor onto the manifold. It should be a tight fit. Lubricant may be helpful. Now adjust the throttle cable, checking to see that the throttle slide opens completely. Attach the fuel line to the banjo bolt and tighten the clamp. With the engine running and warm, adjust the idle mixture screw. Out equals more air, in less. Bolt on the air cleaner box and twist the throttle to ensure proper clearance. With the air cleaner element in place, bolt on the chrome cover and the job is complete. The HSR 42 also works with Harley's Screamin' Eagle air cleaner assembly or the stock cover. Now let's put the bike to the dyno test.
Okay, what we are looking at here is the results of 3 separate dyno tests performed on a California Harley-Davidson. The first graph, the blue line, is a bone stock motorcycle. Peak power is approximately 42 horsepower at the rear wheel. We removed the carburetor, installed an HS42 Mikuni, and the power jumped up to approximately 48 horsepower. After that, we added a mild drop-in cam, which with the increased breathing ability brought the total peak power up to 66 horsepower. Well, that completes the installation of our HS42 Mikuni. As you can see, it's a very simple installation with normal hand tools. The extreme tunability of the carburetor makes it a pleasure to work with, and according to a lot of my customers, it's a pleasure to ride with.